Welcome. If you've posted something on Snapchat and changed your mind, don't worry. Deleting your story is quick and easy. In this updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to remove your Snapchat story in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you posted the story you want to delete. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your current stories and account details. Now find the story you want to delete. Tap directly on your story to open it. This will allow you to view the content just like your friends would. Next, while viewing your story, look for the upward arrow icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This action reveals additional options related to your story. After that, you'll see a trash can icon. Tap on the trash icon to start the deletion process. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice just to make sure you don't remove it by accident. Finally, confirm the deletion, and that's it. Your story will be permanently removed from your profile and no longer visible to others.